The popping sound gets your attention because you're not supposed to have a popping sound when you test flight hardware.
We did what we called a sine vibe test, which is essentially vibrate the thing at a given frequency.
Where we literally will shake the full telescope to simulate the effects of launch.
And then change the frequency slowly and watch how your system behaves. It's a much more stressing test, but that means that you have the possibility of over-testing certain parts.
There was a loud popping sound, and the sensors measured something that was exceeding the levels that we said, if this happens, automatically shut down. So we had an automatic shutdown. Just had an automatic shutdown, and there was a loud popping sound. And the popping sound gets your attention because you're not supposed to have a popping sound when you test flight hardware. And I literally drove into Goddard. I'm like listening to the telecon and driving, and we started discussing whether that popping sound could be potentially, something broke. The telescope was actually covered in this like plastic material, and it's purged with dry gas, but you can see through the plastic material. So I literally climbed under the telescope with the phone in my ear, and I'm looking at it, and I said, I don't see anything visibly broken, like nothing came off. And it was really difficult to figure out, but it turned out, we started running a separate test of some of the launch restraint mechanisms and the systems that keep it latched up. We found out what the problem was, which was at a certain level, these things started to chatter. And that chatter sounded like the popping sound that we heard.